Hi guys, so today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process of how I make a letter. I know I've done stuff like this before, but I want to break it down so you can hear my thinking a little bit more clearly. So, let's start! I begin by laying down 2 pieces of lavender paper, which tie into the letter statement piece, this rustic, paint-stained cardstock. It's nice to have a statement piece, a focal point per se, because it allows a base for the other decorations to be based off of. Washi tapes are one of the decorations that should tie into this focal point. I chose blue, purple, and a gridded gray because they tie into that statement piece. The dotted gold one connects with these golden stars, which add shine and texture, making the envelope look a little bit more interesting. Now to start on the front of the letter. I use the same materials as the envelope because it makes them look like a set, like they're supposed to be together. But I vary the placement of the washi tapes and paper to make it look unique, not like an exact replica of what the envelope is. And I write my pen pal's name on the front as an added touch. To start off the inside, I always have a header of some sort. To make it, I use a similar method as on the front of the card, using the same materials but varying the placement. I like to add these pieces in the middle because it breaks up the writing. I still have space to write, but it's not a big boring block. I also add these pieces at the end to balance the letter and wrap it up. And of course, the writing. It can be hard, but remember to always be yourself. That's the only way you'll make genuine pen friends. And here I'm packing up a washi tape sampler. I usually pick tapes that match the colors of my letter and make sure that they're ones I'd love to receive myself. Here I'm starting on a painting that I also decided to add to the letter. My pen pal said that she loves to draw and make art, and so do I, so it seemed appropriate. I think it's really sweet when you add something to a letter that acknowledges your pen pal's interests, so I try to do that whenever I can. And that's the letter done! So, in conclusion, it's nice to have washi tape, paper, stickers, or whatever to base the rest of your letter around. This focal point makes it much easier to coalesce the different elements of your letter together. But above all, know that you don't need washi tapes or expensive paper or cute pens to write a meaningful and beautiful letter to your pen friend. If you're genuine in your feelings of wanting to learn or in wanting to become their friend, then no matter if you decorate your letter or not, it should be treasured by them. So, with that said, I hope you all have a fantastic day, and thank you so much for watching.